In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change phone number on Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Snapchat app. Once it is done, tap right here at your profile picture. Then tap at that gear to head over to settings, and that's where we can easily find our current mobile number. In order to change it, we need to get into it, and that's where we can remove our current phone number and then we can enter a new one. I'm just gonna enter some random numbers here. You need to enter your existing number. Just keep in mind that you must have access to this phone number, because when you click at verify button, you will receive a code to enter it in the next step to confirm that this number belongs to you. Basically, that's how you can easily change your phone number on Snapchat. And if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.